Hey everybody, Sam back once again. In this video I'm just going to be doing a application review of a Twitter application which is called Tweetcaster. It's from the guys from Handmark. They do a few iOS applications as well. The actual application is free on the Android market. There is a paid option which removes the ads. Luckily I've got a key they gave away free when they actually launched it, which removes the ads straight away. So I've got pretty much the pro one, but for free. So what I'll do first of all is I'll go into the application. Nice little tweet guy there. Right, so we'll just show you the actual, go around the actual user interface on the main screen first of all. I'm just going to zoom in slightly just so you get a bit of a better look. There we go. Right, so first of all we'll start from left to right. You've got your nice little options button here, and here you can actually add more than one. So let's say you've got one for your business, one for you can add more than one username at a time. You've got your trends, so it basically tells you what is actually trending at the moment. You've got your suggested users, so basically it's like, you know, what people within, let's say music, does he want me to follow? My guess is Lady Gaga. Well, I was close enough with some of them. I don't know. You've also got your nearby, so anyone that's possibly nearby at the moment. Basically, it does a quick search as to roughly where people are, you know, close to yourself, and it brings them all up there. Obviously, you can do the search as well. Next to the actual timeline, if you click your name, it takes you straight to your actual user information. So you can obviously see how many followers you've got, etc. And then obviously do your own things there. You can then go to settings, and you can do a new tweet, or you can say I want to edit my profile. So you go like, right, I want to edit my location, my bio, or my picture. Click save, and obviously you can update it. So it's nice you can edit the actual profile within the application. You've got another search function, so you can search for, I don't know, the newest things on there. So search for HTC Sensation, Samsung Galaxy S, etc. And here is basically you click it and it creates a new tweet. You can also get your Facebook integration, so you can update your status on Facebook and Twitter at the same time. And obviously you can add your where you currently are, link, a nice little function here. You can add people to your tweet, add a photo straight from the camera, add a video, or you can add from the gallery. It's also got built in the option to do tweet longer. So let's say you go over your actual, you know, amount of 140 characters, it will automatically use tweet longer if you do choose that, and it will make it, you know, obviously it'll extend it for you. Now on the device itself, you can see I've got a couple of new tweets. Now if I can either obviously scroll up, but let's say I want to go to the top, you can just click the little tweet guy there, jump straight to the top. You then got your art replies, your direct messages, your favourites, and obviously your lists as well. So you're basically your standard things come straight within, from which most of them. You now can jump to the top, but you know, pretty much the same. You can do refresh. I think it would be nice if you had like a little refresh button up here as well, or somewhere at the bottom, but there's the refresh. You do have another version, a way to refresh it, which I will explain to you in just a little bit. You can go to people, which obviously show who you're following and who is following you. I'm going to jump into the settings now and show you some of the actual customizations, etc. So you can customize it. At the moment there's not a lot of themes. There's 4, and they're pretty much, there's 2 really. You can have dark bubbles, light bubbles, or dark or light. I normally use dark, but I try to show the dark bubbles. I'll show you the light bubbles. That's from the exit, so yes. Nice little tweeting guy there. And this is what the light bubbles looks like. So we will now go to settings again and show some more customization. You can choose your mention colour, so when you're mentioned, that's what colour the whole tweet box will look like. You can have your tweet colour, so the ones you tweet come as that. Font size, nice and simple, small, medium or large. Display full name, so instead of an actual username, you can have their name. And URL actions, so somebody's posted a link somewhere to a Twitter video or something like that, you can ask it to ask, open or copy. The next one you can go to is language. Now it's not got many functions, it's got always English. So basically what it is, it always forces the app to English. Your notifications, obviously you can turn your background notifications on or off. If you have them on, you can then tell it which ones you want to notify you of. I have them all apart from notifying new tweets pretty much, because it gets annoying after a while. As soon as it mentions me, I get a message directly, then it gets straight away. Obviously you can have sound on or off and vibration, and the one I'm currently using at the moment is cheaper. It's a nice little tweet railer. And within here you get your different services for your shortening for your URL. You can either use bit.ly or is.good, so it's good pretty much. You can do your image service, you can have lockers, TwitPic or YFrog. And your video service, you've just got TweetVid at the moment. You can then do your Facebook, so again you can update your Facebook status at the same time as Twitter. And Instazapper, if you've not seen what that is, so Instapaper. If you don't know what that is, basically Google it. It's where you can pretty much save things, articles, etc., and it saves it for a later date. So you don't have to actually read it at that point or download it to your phone. You've got auto refresh in your different intervals, which range from 30 seconds all the way up to 2 hours. And this is the other refresh we're talking about. Basically, hold the phone, shake the phone, and it refreshes it for you. And you can send your Tweetcaster logs to Handmark for any kind of improvements and whatnot. So I'll show you really quickly in terms of the actual refreshing. So basically, I was hold the phone, shake it, and as you see there, it refreshed. And you get quick follow, so if you just found somebody you want to start following, put it in there, and obviously you start to follow them straight away. You have your Twitter status, basically goes to the Twitter thing to see if it's on and off, if there's any errors and whatnot. You can refresh all, exit, help or about. So before we finish this actual review here, we're just going to show you 2 of the widgets you get with Tweetcaster. Go to the end. You get normal one and you get one that's large. So I'm going to show you the large one. And here you can choose you want blue, dark or light. So I'm going to choose dark for this one here. And if you have more than one account, you could do individual ones for each one on the actual home screens. Click OK, and you get a nice little widget like that there. The difference between this and the little one is you don't get this box here, you just get that there at the top. So basically think of it like that. And with this you can obviously go through them individually, or click play, and it does it for you. So that's just been a quick look at Tweetcaster for Android. Again, it is free on the Android market. I'll put a link in the description, and you can go download it if you want to give it a try. If you like the video, give it a quick thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. So I'll speak to you next time. Thank you very much. Cheers.